Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: battery, access to quick settings, and a decision about Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. First, swipe down from the top of your screen or open Settings Network. Tap Airplane Mode to block cellular radios. This immediately disconnects mobile data and voice. If you need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, toggle them back on after enabling Airplane Mode. This prevents background mobile data while allowing wireless features you choose. Once done, check the status icons to confirm radios are disabled. Now manage connectivity. After Airplane Mode is active, enable Wi-Fi if you need internet through a network without mobile data. Make sure Bluetooth is on only if you require headphones or peripherals. Next, review apps that assume cellular access. Force stop or disable cellular only sync to avoid errors. For fine control, open Settings Data Usage and turn off background data per app. This keeps notifications minimal and conserves power, while preserving selected wireless features. To finish, disable Airplane Mode to restore cellular radios and wait for network bars to appear, then re-enable mobile data if it stays off. If connection fails, toggle mobile data off and on, and then restart the device. If restarting doesn't help, check carrier settings updates or reset network settings in System Options. This clears saved networks and can fix stuck radios. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still can't connect, remove and reinsert the SIM or contact your carrier before making more changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.